Hey guys, so welcome to another video. Making some gifts for Sundance. It's his birthday. I make him wear bandanas. So I'm going to tie-dye bandanas. And a good friend at the gym gave us this lovely, it feels very vintage, made in Logan, Utah, leash. It's really long, so I'm going to make him a collar with it and still have the leash, so matching. So bleach dyeing these. I have about 6 of them here, and then a new collar. Let's jump right into it. It's Sundance, it's your birthday. Okay, so I already did a little test of bleach on these and it looks perfect. So I'm gonna just do a variation of these. So I can't find elastic bands, so I'm just using my hair ties. So I'm just gonna let them sit for a bit. Probably should have wore gloves just on my fingertips, but it's okay. We're gonna let them sit for like half an hour and then put them in the washing machine. So a little update. They're turning orange. This one's pretty cool. I like just like the little spray marks everywhere. And then this one's not turning color, but the bleach, that one's not, maybe it needs oxygen. Anyway, I'm going to put them in the washing machine straight away, give them a rinse, and see how they turn out. While the scarves, what are they called, Sundance? Bandanas. Bandanas are in the washing machine. We're going to work on this leash turned into a leash and collar. So I'll just show you the cool pattern. So it's really cool and it's like brass as well up top. So it's about just 2.5 meters. And I'm going to make it into just like 1.5 meters leash. So I'll just do that now and then I'll show you the collar. So I have unpicked this part. Then I am just going to measure. This is the exact size I want for my collar. So when I sew these over, they will look like that. So it won't be adjustable, but it should be fine for Sundance. Then with this, I am just going to loop it for the handle and then stitch here. And that is the leash. So with the collar, I'm going to work on, I'm going to cut off the buckle, keep this loop and the other end of the buckle. We're having a fitting Oh, that's nice. So let's give. Maybe I'll loosen it up a little. I've left on this side. I'm going to stitch down here, and then this will leave me enough room. I'll just do that quickly now. So I've stitched down there, and then on the back, so these tags, I'm going to thread over. Hopefully there'll be enough room. And that's it. And that's how you do it. All right, we'll do a little fitting for Sundance. Your like nose when I'm about to film. Oh, that's nice. Such a cute Sundance. Oh, it suits you so much. Okay, I found a flaw already. I will have to unpick it. I'll have to unpick it. So I put this on. I put this on the wrong side. It's meant to face out. When I was going to put the leash on, it was towards his body. So I gotta fix that. Okay, so I had to unpick also the buckle part, because I need to feed this part on first so it will fit, and then so I'm going to still stitch this first, but I have to thread that on. So same thing, I might give it a little bit more wiggle space. So I'm going to stitch this. So there, that's what that one looks like. And then I'll stitch this like that, so it's out. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So I'll do another fitting for Sundance. Let's thread everywhere. Ooh, yeah, Sundance. And then, oh, look how cute it is. Happy Sundance? So, if I go into the back, a bit better to see. So that's what it looks like. Sundance, you have to look cute. Showcase it. Oh, yep. That's the way. Yes, cute. Oh, that's cute. Yes, Sundance. That's very cute. Okay. Looks really cute, doesn't it, Sundance? Do you like it? Suits him. Sundance is showing Dad his new collar.
Do you like it, Sundance? You gonna wear it forever?
Oh, it looks so nice. So I just wanted to like show you as I put them in the washing machine. Okay, this is what they all kind of look like. You kind of saw them when they were done, but we like this. Sundance, come up here. Up here. Okay. He likes it when I pre-tie it. Oh, so cute. So that's the video for this week. I hope you liked it. So if you want to see photos of Sundance on his birthday, you can give me a follow on Tiana Valerie Snow on Instagram. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Say bye! Bye!
I'm sorry? What was that again?
I'm a god.
You're God. I'm a god. I'm not the god. I don't think.
Because you survived a car wreck? You folks ready to order?
So cute, Sundance. So cute. Doesn't he? That's the cutest babe. Happy birthday.